So class, I would like you to pay attention to these words here I have on the whiteboard and to tell me what are these words. So are they in adjective or are they, yes, they are verbs, right? We have learned about this before. So now we're going to look at how to use these verbs in today's lessons. Okay, so let's look at some of the sentences I have here for you. Okay, so I am going to make a sentence here and then you can tell me if you think it is correct or not. Okay, so here is my sentence. Eat is my favorite thing to do. Okay, whose favorite thing to do is eat? Okay, me. Okay, definitely me. Such a foodie. Can you tell me what is missing in this sentence? You probably have heard some native speakers saying something similar, but when they use the correct sentence, they probably add something else here. Okay, a hint. We're missing something. We're missing something here. Okay, so someone can tell me what are we missing here? Andy? Yes, good job. Eating, right? Eating. How do we spell it? I-N-G. Eating is my favorite thing. Okay, so how come we are adding an ing after our verb here? Okay, so this is our topic for today, which is called gerund. Okay, so we're introducing you to gerunds. Okay, gerunds. Okay, sounds like a name to me. Gerunds. Okay, so what are gerunds? Okay, so gerunds, look, usually, let me see. So remember when we were talking about Charlie's story, what is Charlie's favorite food? Yes, awesome, chocolates, right? So usually what we would say, what we would put here is actually usually a noun, right? It's like chocolate. Chocolates are my favorite food, right? So normally we put a noun here, okay? So an object, so it's a chocolates, or for example, Kevin's favorite food, pizza. Everyone knows about it, right? Okay, so pizza is Kevin's favorite food. But what do we do when it is a verb? What do we do? So we have to change it to something that is disguised as a noun. And when that happens, we add ing after the verb to make it a gerund. Okay, so that's why we add ing after eat, the verb eat. Okay. Any questions so far? No? Okay. Then we're going to move on to the reading part. Okay, so now everyone has our chapter 6 from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and I would like you to take turns to read a sentence. Maybe people from here to here, you can read the first sentence, and from this line to this line, you can read the second sentence. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, can we start from here? Awesome. Okay, thank you everyone for your reading. It was very nice, loud and clear. You're very energetic today, huh? Okay, so next we are going to play a game. And many of you probably already know this app, and I know that Some of you love this app because when I mention this app, you know that it's game time, right? Okay, so we're going to play a Kahoot game. So for the game, there will be a mixture of gerund, adjectives, and verbs. Okay, for your multiple choices. Okay, so you are going to identify different traits or maybe like appearances or personalities from the characters that have shown up in chapter 6. Okay, some of them sound, do you think they sound nice? Would you like to be friends with them? Okay, for me, maybe the first boy. He sounds like he can eat a lot. Maybe he can be my friend. Okay, so now we are going to start the game. Are you ready? Okay, so if your neighbor hasn't had Kahoot on his tablet or on his phone already, and I know that Tom, you know this game very well, so you've done it in the other class with me, so you can help. Maybe you can help Amy to download it. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna walk around and see if you have any questions or problems getting into the account. Okay, so you can see on your sheet there's a QR code, and then you can scan it. You can get into the game. Okay, so if you have any problems, raise your hands anytime. Okay, have fun.